This is a tour of the Aqua Waikiki, room 401 here in Waikiki, Oahu. So as soon as you come into the room directly on your left, you do have your coffee maker, you have your ice bucket, you have 2 glasses as well as 2 coffee mugs. You have your Hawaiian Paradise decaf as well as your Hawaiian Paradise regular. Top here you do have your microwave. Underneath it you do have a drawer that is empty. Looks like there was something there. And then you do have your little mini fridge. Also on your right is the bathroom. You have your Hawaiian Tropic cleansing bar, as well as your Hawaiian Tropic body lotion. You also have 2 more glasses, your sink, you have your trash can down there. You close your door, you do have the toilet, some toilet paper, extra toilet paper. You have your towels and towel rack. And then on the other side here you have your shower. So it's a normal shower with a tub. You also have your shower mat over there in the corner. You also have your Hawaiian Tropic shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. And they are all silky coconut, it says. As you come out from the bathroom, you have another mirror here. To your left, this is your closet. I already put my backpack inside. You have a couple hangers. Have your ironing board, pretty big space so you can put your luggage in there if you like to carry on. So as you come in, you do have a fan right here. This is the main room. So you have 2, looks like twin size beds. You have a lamp and a nightstand there in the middle as well as your safe. This room does have an outdoor balcony, which I'll go out there in a second. You do have a little coffee table and a lamp. This is like the entertainment setup, so you have a flat screen TV, you have a little dresser down there as well as a DVD player. Something they offer here is you can go downstairs in the lobby and rent DVDs. So you have your phone, you have your room service menu, so you guys can scan the QR code if you want to get more information on it. You have an alarm clock which would be able to read your iPod. Like I said, you have your DVD player down here. Some pretty good drawer space. And this is the view of the balcony. So for the balcony, you do have 2 little sit-down chairs as well as like a little outdoor table. This is our view. You do have views of the swimming pool down there as well. And if you'd like to get more information on what the hotel looks like, please check out our video on our channel as well for more information about the hotel, including parking information. And that is a tour of room 401 here at the Aqua Waikiki. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps get our channel out there to more people. And please let us know if you've stayed here before, if you have an upcoming trip here, what you thought of it, what you thought of Waikiki. If this is your first time, just let us know what your thoughts are on Hawaii. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.